कि जो मैं बात कहने चाहता हूँ वो कानून व्यवस्था और संविधान के मुताबिक है।
Sebenarnya English alam pensani le aina lo alam le anda Hindi politik है पहले alam politik है इसलिए English pensi dari Hanbo.
The Raja of this Demore.
Dumra Arecho.
We have with us also the President of the Amri Karbi National Council.
President Amri Karbi National Council.
The President and his office bearers of the Amri Karbi Students Union who have conducted this beautiful festival.
And
the other dignitaries, especially Mr. Jayanta Das, the chairman of the Assam State Development Corporation for Scheduled Castes. We had Mr. Akhil Gogoi just now. We had Mr. Jones Inti Kathar, among others. I will not name them because it will just take time. My friends, as I was sitting and listening to the various speakers, especially from Mr. Terror and the other speakers, it struck me that the Amri Karbi are the lost tribe, are one of the lost tribes of Northeast and of India. In fact, it is my understanding that the Amri Karbi are a hill tribe. But when I go through para 20 of the 6th schedule, I find that the Amri Karbi have not been included, especially when the word Karbi Anglong is there in table 1, describing the tribal areas of Assam, the hill tribes of Assam, the hill tribal areas of Assam. And then I find that North Kachar is there, but the area of Amri Karbi, which is a vast area, has not been included. For us tribals, land, identity are two essential ingredients of our existence. Without land, we cannot have identity. And once we do not have land, we do not have identity, then economic development becomes oppression. The people of Amri Karbi have a right to their language, to their identity, as guaranteed by Article 29 of the Constitution of India.
India Constitution kuatain nali alam nali ayalam nali chirakilage nelaka ain alor sibilo.
And I am telling you that nobody can take away this right from you.
Somda pitmilo kampret la bol nali ender nali hok karyam lagi.
Article 14 gives us the right to equality.
Indian Constitution law, Kerefilia law, Lambrano, Ili, Isidet.
Yet, what my friends have been telling me all this while in our interactions, a scheduled tribe status has been denied to the people of Karbi, of Amri Karbi.
Schedule tribe pam ili laan claims damo lanta ay yung chininyo lang.
It is my understanding that the land occupied, the land owned by you, the original inhabitants of this area, Amri Karbi, stretches much more than even Karbi Anglo.
Asyala Amerika Arbina likido thai lungle po chechot dalang penmechot dalang Karbi Anglo lungle yuke.
And I support what Mr. Akhil Gogoi has said just now, that you have a right to your land.
Sinon la mita jirap nune pen support nune non akil ko ko thamni balule ke nali sahabu.
You have a right to your culture.
Nali thang bipun rukta nali sahabu.
You have a right to your future within the fabric of India.
La pen mo ki wala awe kimita nali sahab do labangalo ki thang.
My friends, when we look at what is happening in India today, we are going through very tough times.
Benar ini India lah napsnang India lo kisung ili kecipta alam.
It seems as if there is an attempt to dilute the protection of minorities under the Constitution of India.
Benar nama India lo lang nam kau tu deh ili jangan akibat ayuk ke kibertin me lade kapal mana yang berdisi benar government India dah ceng pondo.
My friend Mr. Jayanta Das might not agree with me on this point, but I am stressing to you that every citizen has a duty to protect the Constitution of India.
Asal kalau lain, kalau kau adalah das perlu awak cikin udah tahap, maka ne kipudami ke dalil khanik me Arlen banten India lo Arlen banten India aina te silireng dongeng.
We are able to meet like this because we have the protection of the Constitution of India, which gives us the right to free speech. It gives us the right to demand our rights as well as to fight for these rights in a peaceful way.
Mini hello ili kecing rumta arondo. Laba India government lo aron kibian aksi mini lo ili kecing rumun. Lapen labang aron kibian aksi ili kureba kisung kila cipcap karena ili government yo hang nak kepen di mana lagi.
I want to tell you something so that you will understand what is your position.
Sisi alam dengan yo thane dabang athai sina le arjab domang.
Under the Millennium Same-Ship Administration Act 2007, Desh Dumaria is one of the right of this kingdom.
Alam milih akan ulang dam kau tene adalah Desh Dumaria puta ba milih marno sidok. Labang akan datang binan alam milih akan lo.
Under the Millennium Act, you are recognized as scheduled tribes.
Pen milih akan ulang dam tengke nalike inglong asok lane scheduled tribe long tango.
In fact, I will qualify that. I will make a correction to that.
Kalau bang lama ni kacini ke piaka, ain nali cinta alam milih teng kena.
You are recognized as tribals living in a Raj, which is part of Millennium Same-Ship.
Asalam milih teng lang dam kau tu nali Desh Dumaria long kidobang nalike protection long tango, benda ain kuri tango.
And it is only in the Millennium Act that the word Desh Dumaria occurs.
Alam milih alam desi labang alam Dumaria po alam plang do. Kampret kita alam lang dam ta, kampret ain long lang dam ta labang Dumaria po alam nali pecah dam de.
You have a right to protect your land.
Nali ahok do nali sang nule pelang keciral kecikom lagi.
You have a right to protect your culture.
Nali sang bipun rukca keciral lagi ahok do.
And just because you are not recognized as scheduled tribes under the Constitution of India does not mean that your rights are deprived.
Naliyo minon Assam government along naliyo nali chininyo scheduled tribe pute. Labanat naliyo adung nali kuri nali mle nali pelang nali patke uang damde.
Land is a very, very important commodity, a very valuable commodity.
Nasi lule ke isi iliki reng alongri lule ke isi iyo binopu ikapatlang ang take.
But what I see is that you are slowly being deprived of your land.
Ne cinitango nali lule nali pelang hel si bang nali paten no bang nali dong no.
You are aware that the boundary issue, the state-interstate boundary issue is being discussed by the government of Meghalaya and the government of Assam.
Pehla lungle a whole expatriate lagi non Assam government pen Meghalaya government non ala lichie apan Chihon Jogdo.
I am the chairman of the Joint Action Committee on the border of Meghalaya.
Asihane ke ihuda chairman ala joint action along chairman la committee along di Dunarleng.
We have filed the case in the High Court of Meghalaya against the MOU signed by the two governments because we feel that this is an injustice.
Meghalaya High Court yo ali case pido mene piota monda lungle expatriate kumar ke ili bino arle yo RGSC sarkar Bahniransi nade high level expatriate kualam ali case pido.
In fact, the government of Meghalaya and the government of Assam has also appealed this matter to the Supreme Court, and we are going to fight the case in Supreme Court.
Non Assam government pen, Meghalaya government, Supreme Court yo lang lidam do, halita Supreme Court yo dune.
We are demanding for the constitution. We are demanding for the constitution of an interstate council under Article 263 of the Constitution to deal properly with this matter.
Lasri minarali Supreme Court yo hange bala interstate council delake bala bang council pen sala boundary pakai udi pualam.
My friends, unless we have a constitutional machinery to decide our rights, then a lot of injustice will happen.
Jadi labang ain irideng ne we putang tene ilokon ain dode right dode putang tene iyo ikiber kidong bang lane ili dungle pulang umar kisung wangi.
But one thing which I want to request you,
Sisi alam penalio nali kecileng rie penali khanike.
as tribals, we have to become united.
Ili tribal ya nilunga so homan ili kingdom lagi unity dolongi.
As tribals, we have to depend on the constitutional machinery to defend our rights.
Apa ili tribal aso ala India na ane yo ili inega ha chibilagi.
I am giving you a firm commitment today that we will work together with the Karbi National Council. We will work together with your Raja.
Apa mini hane nali pa nali khanike nali Amerika bi kipon ko arare pe homan tikie nali re chopen le homan tikie.
We will explore how to make you scheduled tribes.
Halita duar bisare nalio pot badisi scheduled tribe India long nal palong piuneo po duar de bisare.
What I see is that there requires even an amendment of the 6th schedule, especially of Table 1 of Para 20.
Napela 6th schedule inglong bang pana ai ala table 1 along kithanwe alam do.
When I go through the Constitution, especially Schedule 1, which describes the state of Assam, it describes the state of Assam as the province of Assam, the Khasi states, and the tribal areas of Assam.
Nasehla schedule 1 along ne Indian ain along ne porhe pamelo lal dam pamelo pen ne pachalo ba Assam along Assam province along pen tribal area long thanwendo.
Why is the word Khasi states still in the Constitution? Why does the word Khasi state describe the area of Assam? It is because areas like Karbi, you are part and parcel of Khasi states.
Minonali India aisulang nam kantune Khasi state palam nali pachadami. Puyode ka pachadami mena kiceng prali sangsiong lamel gatki lamen thotsi minonali amrit palam ta labang ainalong amen dalongi.
And it was the British who brought this division. It was the British who took away your land. It was the British who opened this way for exploitation, especially denial of your rights.
Lasi abel ilungle palang ipan aduar kiceng pon ke ala British apor kiceng pon ala sisi aduar kampung pon bedi lalu berasi ili stem kacingdom de ili amrihian homan kita tepo lalu berasa lepon no lepen tribal lalu.
Mr. Jayanta Das, as an important member of the BJP, which is in power in Assam, I am requesting you that we have to go into the historical perspective. We have to go into the right and wrong which has been done to my people and to the people of Karbi.
Setelah dasapan sardasu etonero nali meso curan pame bala Amerika bihal meso kirengapan meso lule pelang kecilo papan nali government lo gidole BJP lo nang kapitiale pen kime gido diplomat kelangale na lamelakan ta cirap duleki.
I'm requesting that let us forget politics. Let us put politics aside in this instance, where let the rights of the Amri Karbi people, let this be made into constitutional right.
Pelunge pelang kecilnya mulke parti alam wa nane ili kirengalo parti alam ne belega pen ili jati po kirenga bahasa ili meso ciran pemiliki.
I know it will be a very tough road. But the point is that if we come together for what is good, then we should be able to achieve it.
Kisung aduar percedian lo kisung aduar la mela kam kecil lagi la mela adiman sorkari kau lagi mata ili ilong ne homan ne duar kam tang tene la bang kam ke kisung kam kale kajal so kam.
In the words of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, when he came to Shillong, at the time before including the Khasi Hills into the Constitution of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel said, if a debtor, one who gives a loan, is too poor or too weak to ask back for the loan, then should we treat him in a different way? Should we take away his right by force? My answer is that the people of Amri Karbi, your right is to become civil tribes, your right is to determine your future, your right is to build up the future of your children.
Tusan Allah, Shalom, Patel to Amor, Alang Kipu. Isi alam alang likitan ibu darling abudia sekarang ini har pido lur pido ala ikut musai itu lebah bahang dan bawah segitu lah beriman mah kalau ini Amerika bersem kita kira bahulang bato an gedung kecil bahulang bato banta ili kerja mereka aron ili kerja mereka hop ke jibeli mereka yuk patne.
In closing, I have only this to say.
Sekijut dan alipan alipane.
The law will take its own course. We have a map of 1896 certified by the Surveyor General of British India, which shows that these areas, in fact, were part and parcel of the Khasi states.
Asali, makalong dadatalo, sorbelo dalinotalo, balades dumaria puke appropriasi ala Shillong na de Khasi state alas kido kokene.
What is right should be accepted as right. What is wrong has to be accepted as wrong. And the historical wrong must be righted. From the Joint Action Committee, we will work closely with the Amri Karbi National Council.
Joint Action Committee la Amri Karbi National Council
we will place at their disposal for your benefit all our talent, all our knowledge, and all our efforts.
Senali, what would you say? Halabang alungri pronali ringoma, labang kene pali comment table along bidame. Pen pot sili karima pot sili akam gidoma labang kene pali comment.
Thank you so much. God bless you and keep you. And may we win in this fight, even though it takes a long time.
Si Kardon,
Kardon.
Nalio Arnam Nali Parung Nal Pubat Dunda, Minori Kacilare Akam, Kiha Akam Buke, Kaholo Akam, Duarka Akiding Damone, Paholona Manta, Ilisamane, Damsi, Labang Kampo, Liparope, Kardon.
Kardon.